Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is the difference between array of pointer or pointer to array. We will understand by using simple example. So let us start. We have a include here, header file, then we have a main function. Inside the main I have an array. So I take array here of 4 elements and I give the value here like that. Now I create a pointer that I declare like this. I say ptr1 and I declare like this. One more pointer I declare. I say star ptr2 and I say that is 4. These are the two ways to declare the pointers. Now which one is a array of pointer and which one is pointer to array, we have to understand first. So here you see that the precedence of the array is more than the precedence of this star. That's why we called it, first of all I write array of pointer. You see, array of pointer. Why array of pointer? Because the precedence of this square bracket is more than the precedence of this star. So first I write here array, then pointer, then array of pointer. Now how it is pointer to array? Because the precedence of this parenthesis is more than the precedence of this array. So first of all I will write here pointer, then I write here array. So I say this pointer to array. Because the precedence of this is higher, precedence of square bracket is less as compared to parenthesis, we called it pointer to array. This is the way to remember how we can memorize this, what is array to pointer and what is pointer to array. Now we have to understand what is the difference between these two. So for that you see I write here this is an array. So I pass here address of first element of the array like this. Then I pass address of second element of array. Then I pass address of third element of array. Then I pass address of fourth element of array. Remember, because it's an array of pointers, so these are the pointers. So these value I am storing in this array. Now this is what you see. I write here num like this, completely I pass here. So I am passing the address of this array to this because it's pointer to array, means the complete array is goes into this. But here it is an array, so individual address of a particular array or other pointers we can allocate here. Now we see how it work. You see I take for loop here. I say int I equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Then I print here percentage %d space. Then I say here star ptr1 and we pass here the value of I. Remember that first of all I am removing this star, then we see the output. You see, we run it, compile. Now you see this is the address of the first element, this one, then second, then fourth, then fifth. Then we put here the star and you will see now the output. You see now we have the value. So we can write here by printf here that value of array of pointer like this way, and we can say /n. Similarly we can say I cut this and I paste after this like that, and I say value of pointer to array. How we can display this? We can display this. I just copy this once again and I paste here, and here I say ptr2, and remember that I remove the star from here. Now I just I just compile once again and I say this. You see, this is the /n I put here also. Save this. So this is the pointer ptr2, and you see it displaying the again address. You see, I run once again like this. So I put here star like this. Again we have the problem here to assessing the value. Why? We have the complete address here, so we try to get this plus I like that. Try to compile once again. You see, again we have the address, so I put one more star here, compile and run it. You see, we have the value. Because why? Because we are passing here the address of the complete array inside this pointer to array. That's why I need to put double pointer here. Suppose I remove this from here, then I try to compile it. You see, it's generating the error. Why? Because this is not a array, normal pointer or normal array. It's a pointer to array, means complete address of this should be goes into this. That's why we have to put here the ampersand. The complete address of this array will goes to this. So first star will uncover, this star will uncover the address of this, and second star will uncover the value at particular location, indivisible location of this. This is the way to use pointer to array. Once again I compile it and I show you this like this. Suppose if I have two-dimensional array, suppose I say data and I say I have 2 by 2 of two-dimensional array like this. Like this I store the value. Then I declare one more pointer to array. I say star ptr3. Then I declare here 2 because the number of column is here 2, and I pass the address of data. Remember, see, you see that it will generate first of all the error. Compile it. You see error because it's a two-dimensional array, so no need to put ampersand here because already we have a 2 dimension here. Now once again I start to run. You see it running without any problem. Now I copy this and paste it here, and I say the value of pointer to array of 2D, 2-dimensional, and here I put the 3. And remember that it would not run by a single loop. For that we need extra loop because it's a 2-dimension. 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. Here we have to put 2 rows and column. Then I need to pass here normal ptr 3, and I say I and I say j. Save this, and you see once again I compile and we have the problem for bracket. So remove this, save this, once again I run it, and you see the output we have the same value here. So if we have a 2-dimensional array and we put this address to the pointer to array like this 2 represent the number of column here, then we can use like a normal array. You see, so like this way we can use array of pointer and pointer to array for 1-dimensional or 2-dimensional array like this way. It's very useful concept if you want to make a mastery in C for learning DSA. So I think you understand now concept, what is array of pointer and pointer to array. If you really understand or you learn something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.